Welcome. I am Professor Magnus, and unlike you, I understand numbers.
I already know everything worth knowing about numbers.
Adorable. Then explain why 0.999 repeating equals 1.
It doesn't.
It does. Exactly. Not approximately. Not almost. Exactly 1.
It's clearly less than 1. There's a gap at the end.
A gap at the end of something that never ends. Brilliant. Truly. The end of forever.
Sarcasm isn't a proof, Professor.
Watch closely. 1/3 is 0.333 repeating forever. Agreed?
Fine. That one I accept.
Multiply both sides by 3. 3/3 is 1, and the 3's become 0.999 repeating.
You tricked the numbers somewhere. I refuse to see where.
Still stubborn? Fine. Call it x. Multiply by 10. Subtract. 9x equals 9.
You just slid the digits over and hoped I wouldn't notice?
That is called algebra. Children learn it. Apparently, some learn it later than others.
Insulting me does not make your infinite decimals any less suspicious.
Last chance. If they are different numbers, there must be a number between them. Name it!
0.000 something. Eventually. After the zeros end.
The zeros never end. There is no between. They are the same number.
I still refuse to accept this.
And the number 1 still does not care about your feelings. Class dismissed.
I am taking geography next semester.